The beauty of Sundarban. Sundarban is a mangrove forest area in the Ganges delta formed by the confluence of the Ganges, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers in the Bay of Bengal, spread across parts of India and Bangladesh. Forest is the largest mangrove forest in the world. A common mangrove species in the Sundarbans Sundari trees are large and have wing-shaped nuts and silvery leaves. They can survive in the swampy, oxygen-deficient soil of the Sundarbans by using specialized aerial roots to extract oxygen from the air. The leaves of Sundari trees have glands that excrete excess salt. This is the Sundari leaves. Some trees in Sundarban. Is a really very beautiful place.